How to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. So go ahead and open your Snapchat application. Then tap on the profile icon on the top left or click on your Bitmoji. Then go ahead and tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. In here, you will be able to see that there is no option on camera roll as it's sort of hidden under the memories. So click on memories. And first thing that you can do has something to do with the save button. Tap on the save button and tap on the save button and select memories and camera roll. Then go back and go to the settings underneath it which says auto save my story settings. You can also set that to auto save to memories. Also, you'll be able to see the backup process on the top. If it says complete, then that means that you've backed up your camera roll and you have nothing to worry about. It's also worth noting that you can enable Smart Backup, which allows memories to be backed up using mobile data when Wi Fi is unavailable. But this is for personal preference only. So that is how to back up your camera roll on Snapchat. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.